What is up, YouTube? Jacob here. Hope you guys are doing well. Today, as I said in my last video, I have my room tour. A lot of you guys wanted it, and so this is basically it. I'm still just moved in, so everything is probably about 80% set up, but I have some clothes sitting out. I got some other stuff. I got a desk. I just wanted to show you guys everything. Before I get into it though, I just wanted to give you guys a thank you for all the love on the last video. LA Apparel actually reached out to me and I'm gonna take like a tour of their factory, probably get some more stuff, whatever. And I really like that company. But that is 100% because of you guys, so I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And yeah, that's basically everything I had to say. If you guys wanna rate this video, I appreciate it. Let's get into the tour. And I guess I'll start with the desk, which is right here. So this is the wall behind me when I'm normally filming. It's got a big window, a lot of natural light, and I really like this a lot. So I wanted to put my desk right in front of it. This desk is somewhat special. It's just from IKEA. It has two little buttons right here. One that goes up, and then obviously one that goes down. But yeah, this goes all the way up to full standing. So, pretty dope. I mean, it's technically a standing desk. I feel like Dwight Schrute.
Every second you sit there is an hour off your life. Look at all of you. I feel like you're in a suicide cult.
No, you're way off on that one.
I honestly don't really like to stand that much, and you can kind of like put it at the correct level. Moving over to what's on my desk, I just keep my keys here. I got a candle here, which is super essential. If you guys don't have a candle in your room, definitely invest. This one is called Cozy Nights. I would describe it as like a mesquite scent. Other than that, I have my AirPod case. I got these sunglasses here by Aquila. Shout out to them. They sent me and Fernando a bunch of sunglasses. And then I got this little plant here, which is from IKEA and definitely not real. Every plant I've ever had, I've let die. Moving over though, I have my computer here, which is an iMac. I just recently bought this because up until now, I was just using my MacBook and it just wasn't the best for a lot of the work I do. Especially when it pertains to design, it's just better to have a bigger screen. Got a lot of important things on the screen here. Jennifer Lawrence, my spirit animal. Also, a new bracelet we're working on that might come out. I do a lot of work outside of YouTube that I don't put on YouTube. A lot of it is designing, and I just thought an iMac was a good investment. Okay, so that's basically the desk. Next to it, I just have like a trash can, a little file organizer, my hamper, and some real basic lighting. Yeah, but I like a simple desk. I like to keep it clean, simple, feng shui. Moving to the right side of my room, I just have this little clothing rack here. It's next to my door. This solo cup, I keep trying to put it out of frame, but then it keeps getting in the next frame. We don't have any cups. On this rack, I just like to keep stuff I've been wearing a lot and just kind of stuff I like to have out. So on the rack right now, we just got this Type O negative shirt that I traded Fernando something for. And you know, it's a vintage tee. I've been rocking it a lot. And I got this Ross Vet crew neck, you know, it is Gildan, but it is still pretty dope. This hysteric glamour button down, I really don't wear this that much, but I just kind of feel bad keeping this in my closet, so I have to keep it out here. Kind of sweater type thing that I probably will sell. Raf Simons' New Tribe shirt. This number 9 shirt, which I've grown to appreciate a lot more recently. And then I have this Vetements shirt, which a lot of you thought was Chrome Hearts. This Dries long sleeve tee, which honestly I think is just so fire. I love the material on it and the design. A pair of Helmut Lang light wash jeans. And to finish it off, we got 2 products from Amazon. These cargo type camo pants, and then this militant vest. We bring the camera down a level. I have this little pile of clothing right here, and just a bunch of stuff that I'm considering selling. If you guys want like a closet sale video, let me know. You know, we got some Painter Magnus pants. We got a Supreme button down that no one wants. We got some Dior jeans. We got this fake Supreme cardigan. And just a bunch of other stuff. I don't know. If you guys want like a for sale video, let me know. I would definitely give this all out for really cheap prices, maybe on Depop or something. Down here by the rack, I just have a few shoes that I frequently wear. These I'm probably gonna sell. These Reebok Revenges, which I recently started wearing again, and I really like these a lot. These came out like 2 years ago, and they're just kind of like a cool, classic looking shoe. Then we got these hiking boots from, you know, gonna be hiking or anything like that. Moving up from there, we have this ledge here, and I don't know what to do with it yet. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. Right now, it just has like a sunglass case, a bandana, these little cool like press things I found at a store, just in case someone tries to break in. We got a knife. Then yeah, just a bunch of other random stuff. Like Culture on cassette. But yeah, there's really nothing in here. except for that Solo cup. I need something to put up here. I actually bought some posters for my room, and I'll try to motion track them in. One is gonna go right here, and then one of them is gonna go right here. I ordered them and there was like a problem. I wanted to get them in time for this video, but then something happened with the place I was trying to print them at. It got delayed like a week and I didn't want to wait for this video, but yeah, basically a Gosha poster and a little Bob Dylan poster over there. A lot of you guys have asked me how I make my posters, and it's really simple. Maybe I'll do a video tutorial on it. I just buy a custom poster and a custom frame. It's like 40-50 bucks per poster. I'm editing this video right now and I left out a few things. I don't know how I missed this, but I got a bed, all white bedspread, clean and dope. And I also have a rug from IKEA that's super basic, and I wish I would have bought a better one. I wanted a Chrome Hearts rug, but I've come to realize that there's no such thing as a real Chrome Hearts rug, and they're all fake. But yeah, this rug is cool, it's cozy. And basically other than that, we just have my bathroom, which is being occupied by a couple boxes. We got a mirror. I keep this number 9 necklace on this, and yeah, that's, you know, all you need to see really. Other than that though, this is my closet. Got this Elliot Emile, you know, scarf here. Shout out to Elliot Emile. Really disorganized. Got some Dickies pants, some Jacob shorts. Got a Revenge hoodie in here. Got some shoes I never wear down there. Some random hoodies and whatnot. I really need to up my shoe game. I've been wearing these just because of how easy they are to throw on, but the fit right now is not the cleanest. You know, we got some Jacob shorts, striped shirt, nothing too crazy. But yeah guys, that's basically my entire room. I'm sure it will evolve as, you know, I live in here for longer and occupy it more. If you guys have any video ideas you want to see from me, be sure to let me know in the comments, and also just how you're feeling. I just shipped out like 100 orders. I just restocked a few things, so if you guys were waiting on an order, it's probably sent out now. But yeah, that's basically the whole video. I appreciate you guys so much for watching, continuing to show love, yeah, and all of that. I love you all. My name is Jacob. Peace out, you guys. Take care.
Baby, we're too simple.